guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Naomi Kanyeki. Thank you so much for passing by. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you will enjoy this video. I hope you all will enjoy this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so right now. And then I hope that you guys are going to enjoy this video and you're going to like it and comment and share and help me grow this channel. So today you're in my kitchen. I want to show you guys a small kitchen tour because I have a small home update. I am adding something in this kitchen which I'm very excited about and I want to show you guys. Yes, so let's get into it. So I'm going to insert a video of how this kitchen looked like when my husband was moving in, and then I'll show you guys how it looks like now, and then with the small addition. Okay, yes. So you've seen the video. I didn't do like a good video on it because it was like it was the day he was moving in, so we hadn't arranged anything, so kitchen is gonna cut to 4. But yeah, that's how the kitchen looks like. So the problem with this kitchen is it's a little bit small, and the kitchen doesn't have enough storage cabinets, which is such a bummer if you're living with a female in the house. Like, you already know that we have that you're going to have a lot of things in the kitchen and you need a lot of storage. So that's the problem with this house. It doesn't have a lot of storage cabinets, so I find myself like really squeezing things and trying to keep the kitchen as organized as possible. And I'd like to say that I've done a pretty good job on it. Yeah, so that's why I'm doing this, because I went to the fundi and asked the fundi to make for me a small kitchen cabinet, which I'm going to show you guys where I'm going to place it, so that I can store like you know, cups, plates, and food stuffs. Yeah, this is the entrance of the kitchen, and right here we had the kitchen table because we were using a 2-burner, so we had placed a kitchen table over here. But now we replaced the kitchen table with this cooker, which is an excellent choice. I love the color and the silver topping. This is just amazing. It's an Amco gas cooker. Yeah, so we replaced that kitchen table with this cooker, and now to the kitchen cabinet. So this is the only place that we have the storage. Yeah, see, like we have the upper ones, which is only this is the only upper cabinets that we have, and then the down cabinets. As you know, you can't really use this down part because it's under the sink. Just use it for, you know, just placing extra containers that we have, extra stuff that we have, supermarket bags, you know, things like that. So this is the only part that we use for our whole kitchen stuff storage. So this is how I've organized. You see, like I have extra foodstuffs and plates in one place and cups in one place. Like, it's just a total mess, which I don't like at all. But ni sawa too. And on this other side, so many kitchens have cabinets up there. Sasa si hatuna. This is the table that we used to have where the gas cooker is. So we put this kitchen table over here. So this is where we place the vegetables and the sufurias. Oh, sorry about the dustbin. And we place our microwave up here and some of the food stuff that we have. You see these 2 boxes over here. So this is milk. This is not milk. These are extra cups that I have, and siko na place ya kuweka, so nikaweka ndani ya box, nikazekelea hapo juu. Can you imagine? And then here we also have like some extra things that are just here. Yeah, so it was very important for me to have a kitchen cabinet. So I'm going to have a kitchen cabinet here where this table is, and then I'm going to dispose this table. It should be a little bit smaller than this, but I hope it's not too small, because I think it's going to be from here up to somewhere here, and then it's going to have like two doors like this with shelves inside and then a drawer. Yeah, so I think that's going to help us really put, just going to help me put stuff inside the cabinet and close it, because this open display is not doing it for me. Yeah, so this is the cabinet. Yeah, I've already put the microwave and some stuff over there. Okay, one thing I don't like how I'm paint to sujuaje. And then up and down, I had asked the person to and a shelf and another one going down to nikuena like shimo nne. Sasa akaamua anaona kama itakuwa ndogo. Okay, it's fine. If you guys have money to buy like a ready-made cabinet, that's the best choice. So let me organize this. Let me see where I can put you guys, and then I organize this stuff. This whole thing inatosha hapa ndani. I'm happy. Sufuria zimetosha. Can you guys see all this? All this can fit down here. Thank God hakukuwa partition na katikati so wenge toshea, but now it can fit. I'm happy. Oh my goodness. And now this I can put them down here also. The cabinet is doing it. Everything is fitting so well. I am so happy, you guys can't even imagine. I am extremely happy. Like everything is just fitting so well. Drawer, I've put little stuff before vya sufuria and mwikos and serving spoons and spoons, my plastics. Yeah, so a place in a hivi. This is nice. You see all of these things goes in a hapa. Every single day it goes in a hapa. All of these things, no, except easy, but they are all here. That's nice. And then down here, oh, my battery is dying. Down here I've put all the foodstuffs. all the foodstuffs, and I've also put the sufurias. This is what I was talking about, the senior. So if guy, I'm actually happy that that guy didn't put the partition, so I'll be here and get to share. So all my sufurias are here. You see, they're all here. The sufurias are there. This extra container, and my pans are there. So everything is just here. Everything is at one place. I've put my vegetables up a kando. But I've not finished organizing this kitchen. I'll continue later on, pole pole. But this is what I wanted you guys to see. I'm so excited, especially the sufurias and that big sinia. And I'm so happy about it. So I have this whole cabinet only for my plates and my cups and my glasses. That's exciting. Yeah, I'm so happy. Let me show you guys what I've done.